Hello guys and welcome one more time to the Kaspersky Security channel. This time I'm gonna show you how to install from absolute zero, the Kaspersky Security Center version 14.2, which is the current one. At least I don't know when you're gonna watch this video, but yeah. So the first thing you need is the database. You will need a database. It's a minimum requirement. If you don't know anything about database, just install SQL Server, Express. SQL Server is easier because you don't have to configure anything, but Express is the free version, limited to 10 gigabytes. So if you're gonna use Kaspersky Security Center as a Windows Update server, this is not a good idea. You have to buy a license and install the full version. But for demonstration purposes, this is fine. So you're gonna go ahead and access this website, download. I have already done that. And you're gonna also need to download Kaspersky Security Center. I typed everything wrong, but yeah, Google is good to correct this thing. Product downloads, this is the page you're looking for. Okay. I'm also trying to measure how much time would be necessary to install everything. So you're gonna download this one. Okay, full distributive Windows. You have to roll down a lot and you're gonna find this one. This is not good. This is not good. You need this one. Okay. In other opportunity I can explain why those other will not fit for now. Okay, these are both already downloaded here. Now I'm gonna install the SQL Express. I'm gonna choose basic installation. I'm sorry, some things you will see in Portuguese. I'm in Brazil, but I'll try everything I can to everything that appears in English is on purpose as well, because I want to speak worldwide. This is not the best hardware actually. This is my laptop. I'm on vacation, but yeah, it's good enough to install a Kaspersky Security Center since I'm not managing thousands of stations. Let it install. Is actually saying download successfully, because I did this before. But if you're installing, it will probably take some time to download some files. Now that it is done, you should install the SSMS. Okay, I'll tell you why in just a moment, but mine, I think it's already installed because I did this but bunch of times. Yeah. I don't know. I don't know if it's there. but it's not this one. I think when I uninstalled the last time, it uninstalled the SSMS. So I'm just gonna go ahead and install it again. I don't know that I have this already downloaded here. Let me check. Yeah, it's not here. No problem. It's downloading. It will take 2 minutes. Okay, but I don't need this now. So I'm gonna go ahead and install the Kaspersky Security Center. Here it is. I will install Kaspersky Security Center 14.2 just out of curiosity. If you install just the administration console, this means that you already have the server installed somewhere else and you just need the console just to manage, and you will connect to another server that actually has the administration server. These are separate stuff. Administration server and console, okay? So administration console is incomplete. Also network agent and other stuff here. So you just need to install this one. Okay, let's do this. I agree to everything. Next, I will install locally. Standard installation, and I will install just MMC based console. Some people like web console. There are more functions, but yeah, let's put both. No problem. SQL Server. Now I have to hit browse here because I'm gonna choose the instance of my database. For some reason it's not working, not responding. Yeah, that's it. I'm gonna choose, wow, I don't know why there are two of them, but okay. Oh, I'm sorry. Windows authentication mode. This means that the same login used in Windows will be used to log in to your security center. Close this. And okay, this is the installer. And let me check my download here. Oh, it's done. Okay, we'll deal with this later. Ten minutes passed already. Of course, you can skip and go ahead and skip sometime after this, but the, the one of the purposes of this video is to show you how much time is spent during this process as well. So you can have the full perspective on what you're doing. Or okay, now it's going to install the web console. I'm going to choose English. Yes, I confirm. Accounts, generate new certificate. Yes. It's taking a while, probably setting up some different stuff here. Yeah, starting services. Okay, it's done. Start MMC. This is what I use more often, and most users will use it more often. Okay, that's it. That's installed. Here's my administration server. If you don't see this the first time you start, something went wrong. You gotta see this screen here. Administration server has issued its certificate. Yes. Okay. Now it will give you some information. And these quick start wizards, they're important because they will install plugins and stuff required to manage endpoint security or other applications. I'll activate later. Here's what you're gonna choose or what you're gonna manage. I'm just doing Windows workstations for now. You can choose, you can install the management plugins later, so you don't, I can leave this all unselected and it will be fine because I can install them later. But I'm gonna leave Windows workstations, and will probably make me download not just the plugin but the distribution packages for softwares. Yeah, that's plugins require applications. So the endpoint agent and the last version of endpoint security is here. Be careful because you gotta choose the localization wisely. I have seen in the past, this long time no, this does, didn't happen a long time, but I have seen people choose like German version here, and it will give you all sorts of trouble because you're dealing with I don't even know why you have, but yeah, um, you you gotta, let's say that you work for a German company, and I don't know, you want to manage, I don't know, I don't know why they leave these options here, but just choose your own language, you'll be fine. This is very quick to download and install. This one's completed already. The other one's probably downloading. Let me see if there's anything hidden here. No. Go ahead and close this window. Okay, downloading. 56 and installing. Okay, so the console itself is ready, but as I said, it will probably ask me to download the distribution package for endpoint security, and let's do this because there's an important detail when downloading this package. Yeah, you're gonna go with strong encryption most of the times, light encryption if you don't have light encryption is if you have like Windows 7 or old operation system, it will be better to pick light encryption because of compatibility, but strong encryption will be fine for most of us. And again, create installation packages, the endpoint agent, and for Windows XP I don't need this. Yes, my network agent is in English. Okay, and okay, next. Now, every time this reaches 85%, you will be shown some terms. You have to agree to the terms, otherwise the download will not complete. So let's just wait and agree to the terms when asked for. Wi-Fi is not great right now. It's probably not a good idea right now. I'm doing this because my connection is not very fast. As you can see here, it's not even full signal. But let's wait and see what happens. Just a few minutes. Otherwise, I'll just abort everything and show you how to do this later. Yeah, that's probably a good idea. Show you how you're gonna do this if you abort everything right now. If you abort all downloads, and cancel everything, and cancel, and the administration server itself is ready, but you have to download your distribution packages. You just go here, over here, view current versions of Kaspersky applications. This is where you're gonna download every time a new release is available. You can come here, download and create installation package, okay? And they will all be here under remote installation and installation packages. Network agent will always be available because that's something that comes with the security center. But let's say that you accidentally deleted, you cannot download this. You're not gonna find it in here. So it's just another trick that you should learn, because you probably need one day. It's not here either. I'll just show you that. The network agent. Yep. This is actually the way to do this, but you gotta get back to your installer, and I'll show you how. Let's do a very complete video here. Extract installation packages. Kaspersky Security Center network agent. Next. Now I'm gonna extract to my desktop. Okay, it's done. And now I'm gonna go back to the Security Center, create installation package, or I don't remember if Kaspersky application, and browse. Yeah, I think so. It should be the isn't this my desktop? I think the installer didn't do its job actually. Let me go back and see what's wrong. Yeah, this is really what doing live looks like, although I'm not live. Yeah, it's desktop extract. Okay, it says okay. Why it's not here? Huh. Now I gotta learn something else here. Let's extract to my D unit. Oh, that's here, net agent. What is it? Is it my desktop? It's not showing. Well, okay. I don't know why, but that's how you do it. Network agent, and then the unit net agent. You're looking for this one. Okay, that's it. You have your network agent again, and you can do this with other applications as well. But the easier way to get Kaspersky applications from here. Okay, that's it. Um, you can create policy for endpoint security because you have the plugin installed already. Even though you don't have the distribution package, I didn't download it because my internet sucks right now, but that's what you can do. Start configuring the application policy you're gonna use. For those who don't know, Kaspersky Security Network is the cloud database, it's the cloud definition of viruses and malwares, and so as long as you're connected to the Kaspersky Security Network, you don't necessarily have to be updated. I mean, you will have most recent malware definitions when performing a scan task. And here it is. You can configure everything. Kaspersky Security Network always wants you to accept the terms as well. So if you're getting KSN errors, this happens a lot, just check if your plugin is updated and if this is activated. You gotta come here and agree again. And for my last tip, after running the installation with SQL Server 2019, you can experience some slowness. This is because for some reason SQL Server 2019 it has some issues here. I think it's corrected in this version because I'm not seeing, seems to be working fine. But if you experience any kind of slowness, let me show you how to correct that. You see these here? If you're using SQL Server 2019 as DBMS and you do not have cumulative patch 12 or later, you gotta perform blah blah blah, and that's why I wanted you to download SQL Management Studio. Sometimes you gotta do some corrections, and this is what it is for. Okay, it's here. I'm gonna show you how to run this query as well. If you already know how to do this stuff, you can leave this video right now. But for those who don't know and are curious enough, stay here for a little while. "31 minutes passed already." close my console. Oh, because it is installing these, yeah, might be the problem that occurred right now. Doesn't matter. So this is not telling me if I have the cumulative batch. I have not seen this around, so I'm gonna go ahead and do this, and we'll see what happens. Let's let the installation finish and do this quick procedure. Okay, let me exit and copy the command, because it's easy as this. You copy the whole command. Now go to the studio, here I am. I will connect. And run a new query. This is where I paste the command and execute. It's telling me that cav doesn't exist. That's funny, because it's because I have connected to the wrong server. Okay, let's just go ahead and disconnect, connect to the right one, which is this one, connect. Nope. execute. Okay, completed successfully. So if I were about to have some slowness issues because of SQL Server 2019, now this is corrected. You can just close. No, I don't have to change this file. This will just save the query. I don't want to save the query. The changes are done. And again, I can go ahead and enter Kaspersky Security Center and make sure it's working as it should. I'm not sure it opened 2 instances, but I don't. Yeah, not needed. Here I am again, and it's all done. Other stuff you can find out in this channel. Just click like and subscribe, and follow this channel, because all the most frequent issues that Kaspersky business product owners have day to day, I am solving and posting on this very channel. So you're welcome to check out every time you want. Now the alterations I made in the database, they may have broken actually the security center, or maybe I'll just have to restart my SQL server. Let's check. This is what happens when you do everything live. Yeah, it's broken. It's definitely broken. So if you downloaded the last version, it's a good thing for you to not do everything I've done. No, it's not broken. It's working, and it's actually, yeah. I already have endpoint security installed in this device because I was using the cloud console, but I had to uninstall the network agent so I can install the console, and now I have full control over this application here. See? Yeah. That's it. Again, I'm sorry for the mess that this video turned out to be, but I think it is very informative, even with all the errors. I mean, these are all stuff that could happen to you, so it is good to know how to resolve everything. And in this channel, I will always keep you posted with most recent and most common issues that Kaspersky business product owners have day to day. Okay, thank you for your attention one more time, and have a great day.